In this video from Device Doctor, we take a quick look at the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4303. Let's check out the design, features, and see how it performs.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is one of the newer HP Color laser printers, designed for fast and reliable everyday use. It offers quick printing, a modern touchscreen, and easy connectivity for both office and home environments. This printer comes with a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, allowing you to quickly scan or copy multiple pages without doing it manually. On top, you also get a flatbed scanner with up to 1200 dpi and A4 size support, giving you clear and detailed scans for both documents and photos. At the rear straight paper path, the printer supports paper sizes from A6 up to A4 and legal size, with a paper weight range of about 60 to 163 g/m superscript 2. It allows thicker paper, cardstock, envelopes, and special media to pass straight through, helping reduce paper bending and improving feeding reliability. This is a color laser printer that uses 4 separate toner cartridges: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. It uses HP 230A and 230X toner series. The standard 230A can print around 2,000 pages in black and about 1,800 pages in color, while the high-yield 230X versions can go up to around 7,500 pages in black and 5,500 pages in color, making it suitable for both everyday and heavy printing use. It also has a USB port that allows you to print directly from a USB flash drive without needing a computer, making printing faster and more convenient. At the front, the printer comes with a standard paper tray designed for everyday use. It supports up to 250 sheets of plain paper, which is enough for most home and office printing needs. This tray is compatible with different paper sizes, including A4, letter, and legal sizes, and it also supports various paper types such as plain paper, thick paper, envelopes, and labels. The design helps ensure smooth paper feeding and reduces the need for frequent refilling, making it practical for continuous printing tasks. At the back, the printer features automatic duplex printing, allowing it to print on both sides of the paper without manual flipping. This helps save paper and makes printing more efficient for documents and office use. On the back, you will find a USB port for connecting to a computer, an Ethernet port for network setup, a USB port for direct printing from a flash drive, and a fax line port for telephone connection. The printer features a responsive touchscreen display that allows easy navigation through all settings and functions. After turning it on, it goes through a short warm-up and system check process and becomes ready for printing in a few moments. The menu is simple and well organized, giving you quick access to all main functions like printing, scanning, copying, and settings. You can easily navigate through different options, adjust preferences, and manage the printer directly from the screen. Overall, this printer is designed to deliver fast and reliable performance for both office and home use. It offers print speeds of up to around 33 to 35 pages per minute, making it a strong option for busy environments. It also supports wireless connectivity, including Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, allowing you to print easily from your phone or computer without complicated setup. Mobile printing is supported through different apps, giving you more flexibility in daily use. The build quality feels solid, and the design is clean and modern. With features like automatic duplex printing, a responsive touchscreen, and support for high-yield toner cartridges, it is built for efficiency and convenience. Overall, it provides a great balance of speed, quality, and ease of use.